Hey guys, Stefan Ciencio here. This is video 10 of the CPA Profit Machines. Now, as I mentioned, the whole purpose of this course was not mainly about tracking, but I did want to give you a look into funnel flux just so you could see what I'm talking about when I say tracking. So what I'm actually going to do is set up a dummy campaign. So over here, this is the main page for funnel flux. It's got statistics for you here. There's certain tweaks you need to make it accurate, but basically down here you could see where your traffic's coming from. And what I'm actually going to do is show you how to start a campaign from start to finish. So if you go to campaigns and you click on new campaign, you can call it survey Vindale or whatever you want to call it. So go ahead and save that. Then you actually go into the default funnel for it. So you click edit into the default funnel, and what I want to show you is how easy it is to use this funnel diagram. Okay, so here's traffic, right? So in this case it's Bing traffic, right? Now first thing we want to do is we want to add a lander. I already have some landers in here. So what a lander is actually a landing page. In our case it's going to be, like I showed you in the previous video, the page where the traffic is going to go to before it clicks through the offer. So that's your landing page. So if you right click and you add a lander, what I could do is actually just drag this arrow directly to the lander. Okay, so right there it's simulating the traffic going to the lander, and then the lander is actually going to go to an offer. So in this case we'll use Vindale Research. Great. So let's drag the traffic from cash survey deals to, this is a survey 1, lander to the offer. Great. And now we have a very basic funnel. And that's that's pretty much all you need to start tracking keywords. So what you could do is you could just click Save Funnel. And now you have it. Now to actually add in those landers and those offers, you actually just need to go to Pages, Flux Offers, and Flux Landers. So if you go to Flux Landers, you just go to New Flux Lander, you just paste in the URL. So in our case it was this Superior Marketing URL that just goes in here. You could say Vindale Lander 1, whatever. I would recommend the temporary 307 redirect because that's going to be faster. And then you could save it. You could change, put it in a category. You could make a survey category and just put it in there. Save lander. Same thing with offers. Let's go to an offer. So here's a max bounty. Hold on a second. Here, okay. Here are the offers. So what you could do is you could go to new offer, put the name, okay, and you can actually go get the URL from Max Bounty. Oh, so here I'm in Max Bounty. Let's see, search campaigns, Vindale. Here's Vindale. Okay, so I'm going to get my so one thing that you need to do when you're using funnel flux specifically is you need to have the sub ID S2. Okay, so what you do is you save pixel, S2, set creative type to search, and you get tracking code. Okay, then you grab this, go back to here, you paste this in here, and what you're actually going to do is you're going to get rid of this S2 here. And you're actually going to go into Insert URL Tokens, and you go to Hit ID. So you'll still have the S2 here, and it's going to have Hit ID over here. Okay? So, and then you pay out. So for this particular offer, we could see over here that it pays out 80 cents a lead. This is just because I removed my cap, so I have a lower number here. That being said, you will get $1.30 when you're just starting. So in my case, I have to put 0.80. But you should get $1.30 for that particular offer. And you save the offer. You've got the hit ID in here, you've got the name, put it in survey if you want to put it in a category, and that's it. And then what you're going to do is actually when you're ready to get, there's one more thing you actually need to do before you get your last link, but go to your links, pick your campaign. So we could do the one that I just created. Default funnel. Traffic source is going to be Bing ads. Cost per visit. What this is how much it's going to cost per click to get people to your landing page. Since this is going to change depending on what you're actually spending in Bing, you could start with a default value. So for example, you can start with just 0.15 if you want. Okay. So there's your link. And one thing that's very important is this conversion postback URL. You need to take this, copy this postback URL, go to the offer, and you actually need to put it in here, okay? So save the pixel when you do that, but it needs to be in here, okay? Your callback code. Otherwise, you're not going to get the right callback information to tell you that you got a conversion. So very important to do that. And then what you do is you actually just take this link, which is under the funnel URL, you take this link, and this is actually what you're going to be pasting into your Bing campaign. So I'll just put that in my notepad for now, and we'll save that. And I will see you guys in the next video. This is just an overview of Funnel Flux. Once again, guys, I do recommend looking through the tutorial videos. This was morely just informational to show you how I'm doing my tracking. So I do recommend that you actually spend a little bit more time if you actually want to use Funnel Flux and just what I showed you. So anyway, signing off. See you in the next video. Hey guys, Stefan Ciencio here, and I'm actually just going to make a quick correction for the past video. I actually gave you the wrong callback ID for within Max Bounty. So here I am within Max Bounty, and I forgot to tell you there's a couple small changes you need to make. So basically, you're going to get the link from Funnel Flux, right? You're actually going to need to make a couple of changes. So the one I gave you is actually this bottom one. What you're actually going to do is you're going to want to have the top one. So if you need to just copy this down or put it down, just pause this video and take it down. But obviously you're going to get your domain. So the only thing you actually need to change is this part here. Okay? So I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to pull up a notepad here. And what you're actually going to do for your callback ID, it's actually just going to be, and obviously your domain is whatever domain name is yours. And then you're going to do the rest of it, okay? So this is yours, and then just copy and paste the rest of this, okay? So I'll leave that open for you so you can get the whole thing. Okay, so this is what you want. Alright guys, so see you in the next video.